Why you should travel to France. France is one of the most loved travel destinations in the world, from romantic cities to delicious food and rich history. France has something for everyone. In this video, discover why you should travel to France and what makes it so special. Perfect for travel lovers, first time travels, and dream planning their next trip. Hello everyone. Today let us talk about France, one of the most beautiful and popular countries in the world to visit. If you love travel, culture, food, and unforgettable experiences, France should be on your travel list. Let's explore why people from all over the world love traveling to France. Beautiful cities and romantic Paris. France is home to some of the most beautiful cities in the world. Paris, the capital city, is known as the city of love. The Eiffel Tower, charming streets, cozy cafes, and river cruises on the sea make Paris magical. People love walking, relaxing, and enjoying the romantic atmosphere. But France is not only Paris. Cities like Nice, Lyon, Bordeaux, and Marseille each have their own charm and beauty, rich history, and famous landmarks. France has a long and fascinating history. You can see this history everywhere in castles, churches, and museums. The places of Versailles, Notre Dame Cathedral, and Mount Saint Michael are world famous landmarks. History lovers enjoy learning about kings, queens, art, and ancient stories. France is like an open museum where every place tells a story. World famous food and drinks. France is famous for its delicious food, from croissants and baguettes to cheese, pasta, and desserts. French food is loved worldwide. You can enjoy fresh bread from local bakeries, sweet pastries and desserts, cheese and wine from different regions. Eating in France is not just about food, it's an experience. Beautiful nature and landscape. France offers amazing natural beauty you can enjoy. Sunny beaches in the south, snowy mountains in the Alps, green countryside and vineyards, lavender fields and scenic villages. No matter what kind of nature you love, France it all. Art, fashion, and culture. France is a global center for art, fashion, and culture. The Louvre Museum is one of the most famous museums in the world. France is also known for fashions, creativity, and elegant lifestyle. Music, art shows, festivals, and street performances make the country lively and exciting. Friendly lifestyle and travel experience. Traveling in France is enjoyable and comfortable. Public transport is good, cities are walkable, and there are many places to relax. Cafes, parks, and small towns allow travelers to slow down and enjoy life. France teaches people how to enjoy simple moments. So, finally, France is not just a country you visit, it is a place you experience, feel, and remember. Whether you love romance, history, food, nature, or culture, France has something special for you. So, if you are planning your next trip, France might be the perfect destination. Thanks for watching till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content you like this.